Hey everyone! Today I'm going to talk about something lurking in your pantry that you might want to ditch right now: maltodextrin. Yes, that sneaky little additive that's in so many of our foods. Trust me, your body will thank you for cutting it out. So let's get into it. First off, what is maltodextrin? It's a highly processed carbohydrate often used as a thickener, sweetener, and stabilizer in many packaged foods. While it's generally recognized as safe by the FDA, consuming too much can wreak havoc on your blood sugar, gut health, and overall well-being. Scary, right? So how do you eliminate maltodextrin from your diet? Step 1. Become a label detective. Check the ingredient lists for maltodextrin or modified cornstarch. Avoid products with these additives, especially if they're listed in high amounts. Next, focus on whole foods. Think fresh fruits and veggies, whole grains like brown rice and quinoa, lean proteins such as chicken and fish, and healthy fats from avocados and nuts. These foods are not just free from maltodextrin, but they're also packed with nutrients your body craves. Limit processed and packaged foods. Yes, that means cutting back on baked goods, snack foods, instant noodles, and processed meats. These often contain maltodextrin and other additives that are best left on the shelf. Opt for maltodextrin-free alternatives. Look for products with natural thickeners like guar gum, pectin, agar-agar, and tapioca starch. These are much kinder to your body and provide the same thickening properties. Cook from scratch. Preparing your meals at home allows you to control every ingredient. Try new recipes and experiment with different spices and seasonings. You'll be amazed at how delicious and satisfying homemade meals can be. Be mindful of hidden sources. Maltodextrin can sneak into energy bars, certain yogurts, processed sauces, and even some medications. Always read labels and be cautious about what you're putting into your body. Remember, this is a gradual transition. Don't stress if you can't eliminate maltodextrin overnight. Slowly replace processed foods with whole foods and natural alternatives. Your body will adjust, and you'll start feeling the benefits. Monitor your body's response. Pay attention to how you feel as you make these changes. If you notice digestive issues or blood sugar fluctuations, tweak your diet accordingly. And lastly, consult a healthcare professional. If you have specific dietary needs or conditions like diabetes or celiac disease, a registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance. Eliminating maltodextrin may take some effort, but trust me, the benefits to your overall health are worth it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier life. See you next time.